There is a growing number of industrial plant operators in basic industries who benefit from the use of flexible wear protection in the form of KALCRET. Produced by Kallenborn, KALCRET is the hard compound which can be troweled, sprayed, or cast. The mixture consists of hard materials, cement binder, micro and nano silica. Only extremely hard materials like bauxite and corundum are used for KALCRET. The Kallenborn approved accessories are recommended for working with KALCRET. Using KALCRET on steel or concrete surfaces requires fastening a wire mesh. The standard mesh is an open diamond pattern. The mesh is fastened at a distance of approximately 5 millimeters above the surface to be lined, with fastening points spaced at approximately 250 millimeters. KALCRET is loaded into a forced circulation mixer, whose design has been modified by Kallenborn, especially for the use with hard compound. Water is added in accordance with the working instructions, slowly and continuously during mixing. To improve structural strength of the material, a defined portion of steel or other fibers is added. KALCRET is ready to use after about 5 minutes. Troweling has been widely adopted and can be universally used. KALCRET allows protection of vertical, inclined, and curved surfaces. Overhead working is easily done. KALCRET is homogeneously mixed and can be applied with a simple mason's trowel. Depending on the lining thickness, KALCRET can be applied in layers. The layers have a thickness between 20 and 80 millimeters. The wire mesh is matched to the layer thickness. KALCRET allows jointless lining of large surfaces of a variety of plant components. Operating temperatures beyond 50 degrees Celsius require the selective provision of expansion joints. Easy working of the troweled KALCRET compound ensures easy application even in critical plant areas such as corners, projecting or connecting surfaces. After application of KALCRET, the surfaces can be smoothed with a simple trowel. Finally, the surfaces should be protected against quick evaporation of the residual moisture. Sprayed-on KALCRET allows large surfaces to be lined quickly at a rate of more than 5 square meters per hour. Spraying can be done either vertically or horizontally. The overhead installation of the lining for complicated surfaces is easily realized. The spraying technique developed by Kallenborn results in homogeneous sprayed layers characterized by high compaction. This provides high wear resistance of the lining and long duty cycles of the system. Spraying of KALCRET requires the installation of a suitable wire mesh as well. The distance between the spraying machine and spray nozzle may be more than 100 meters horizontally and more than 40 meters vertically. Advantage: in most cases, feeding of the mixing vessel with KALCRET is easily done on a floor with convenient material supply, even if the surface to be lined features poor accessibility. As a general rule, surfaces lined with KALCRET do not have any joints. This is also true of difficult plant geometries. Finally, the surface is smoothed with a trowel. Having been smoothed, The surfaces are protected against quick evaporation of the residual moisture. This can best be done either by a surface sealing spray or by covering with plastic sheeting. KALCRET cast compound is particularly effective in lining flat surfaces against wear. Simple formwork will do. The comprehensive range of Kallenborn accessories and the Kallenborn forced circulation mixer are available for casting as well. KALCRET hard compound is filled in the mixer. After preliminary mixing of approximately 1 minute, the water quantity specified in the working instructions is added to the KALCRET mixture. Make sure only clean potable water is used. The desired plastic working consistency should be reached after mixing about 5 minutes. Kallenborn recommend the addition of suitable steel or other fibers. They are added towards the end of the mixing period. The KALCRET hard compound is filled in the formwork and compacted with the aid of a vibrator. The mixture can be used up to 1 hour. Finally, the surface is smoothed and protected against quick evaporation. KALCRET-shaped elements have performed well in practical operation. These elements are prefabricated from the cast compound at the Kallenborn plant. The dimensions of the shaped elements depend on the handling required. The shaped elements are fastened to the structure by means of well-known methods, for example, welded on bolts and nuts. The system enables short installation time and lining of large surfaces, even overhead. Advantage: the lining can be used immediately after installation. Pipes and pipe bends lined with KALCRET are produced with a standard inside diameter of 40 millimeters or larger. The fabrication method allows great flexibility when designing the bend radii. In pipe bends, the lining can be made in an asymmetric cross-section, resulting in a thicker lining in the outer radius of the bend. KALCRET is well suited for use in combined lining with other Kallenborn materials. A typical example is the combination of KALCRET and Calicer, high alumina ceramics installed in brake boxes used for slag granulation in the steel industry. Another example is the combination of KALCRET and Kalmetal C, hard casting in a pipe bend of a shredder system for plastic waste. KALCRET has performed well in numerous applications in practical operation. Typical applications are its use in a variety of system components and pipes. This is true of all branches of the basic industries. Wherever bulk material is handled, wear is a permanent challenge and KALCRET a useful and flexible solution. Many renowned customers all over the world rely on KALCRET as time-proven wear protection. They depend on KALCRET that is wear-resistant, allows flexible use, and is reasonably priced. KALCRET is a product of the wear protection people of Kallenborn. Our company has representations in more than 50 countries. We know how your wear problem can be solved. Kallenborn has been certified in accordance with international standards. Whenever optimal protection of system components is concerned, ask us, the wear protection people.